morning. It's me, your science teacher from National Papson Scheme. Today I am here to teach you for the continue of your previous class. We are in our second lesson, lesson force. In our previous class or force, we are described some term related to it. It means that about the term of force or definition of force, and also we are discussed about the some sort of term like the speed, velocity, unit of speed and unit of velocity. Today we are going to learn about the new term equation of motion. Equation of motion. Class 9 subject science. Class 9 subject science. Equation of the equation that are used to describe the linear motion of an object. The equation that are used to describe the linear motion of an object. The equation that are used to describe the equation that are used to describe the linear motion of an object. The equation that are used to describe a linear motion of an object, which is called the equation of motion. In your previous class, you are described about it. It means that in the class 8, you are read about this term. In your class 8, you are read S, U, V, A and T. Subha. S-U-B-A-T. These terms are frequently used in our equation of motion, where S means the displacement, U means the initial velocity, B means the final velocity, A means the acceleration, T means the time. You are clear? Okay. First, once time write it. S means displacement, U means initial velocity, B means final velocity, A means acceleration, and T means time taken or time. You are clear? S means displacement or distance, U means initial velocity, B means final velocity, A means acceleration and T means time period. Now we are turns the first equation or first equation of motion. What is the first equation of motion? How we write it? First equation of motion. Or relation of S, U, T and B, or relation of S, U, T. Before this, we discuss B, U, A and T. B, U, A and T. We should discuss at first in it. Let us consider one vehicles. It starts to move in a straight path. In that case, its initial velocity is U, its final velocity is B, its acceleration is A, and time taken is T. Isn't it? Okay? We have let U is equal to initial, B is equal to final, T is equal to time, A is equal to acceleration. Isn't it? Okay. We know acceleration A is equal to rate of change of velocity. Acceleration A is equal to rate of change of velocity. B minus U upon T. I think that you are already know in this formula. A into T, A multiply T is equal to B minus U. Exchange it, B is equal to U plus AT. This equation is called the first linear equation proved. Hope you are clear, you are understand in this case, isn't it? Now we are turns to the second equation of motion. Second equation of motion. Or it may be asked, prove that yours is equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. This equation is called the second equation of motion. Or it is called, in your examination it may be asked, prove that yours is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. We have yours is equal to u plus b, yours is equal to u plus b upon 2 multiplied by t. Dear student, you should remember at first the RH is part of equations. And there is no the velocity, final velocity, so that you can remove the final velocity from this part. Isn't it? Okay. Look here, we know B is equal to U plus AT from the first equation of motion. From the first equation of motion. Put this value in here or replace the value of B by U plus AT. Or U plus AT upon 2 multiply by T. Isn't it? Okay. Or two U plus AT upon 2 into T. Hasn't it? Okay. 2U t plus AT square whole divided by 2. Separate this one at first. 2ut divided by 2 plus at square divided by 2. Please cancel the 2 and 2. Yours is equal to R, yours is equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. Isn't it? Okay. Hence, okay student, we don't to delay, we are turns to the third equation of motion, or prove that third equation of motions, or prove that b square is equal to u square plus twice as. Look here, we need to prove it, prove that okay, we know we have yours is equal to u plus b upon 2 multiplied by t. Yours is equal to u plus b upon 2 into t. Look here is no time. So that we should remove the t from this formula. Look here is the b, u and at. By this formula, b minus u is equal to at. T is equal to b minus u upon a. Isn't it? Okay. Okay, student, look here. U plus b upon 2 into value of t means b minus u upon a. Use these two terms. We know one formula in mathematics. B plus a, b minus, right here. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Isn't it? Look here. U plus b plus u, b minus u. It means that b square minus u square divided by twice a. Is it right? Okay, student. Now, or yours is equal to b square minus u square upon 2a. Please do the cross multiplication. Please do cross multiplication. You know, 2as is equal to b square minus u square. Isn't it? 2as is equal to b square minus u square. Now, b square is equal to 2as is as it is. This is minus here and plus u square. Therefore, b square is equal to u square plus 2as. Proved. Isn't it? You understood? Okay. Okay, student. We have completed the three proofs. Equation and the equation of motion. I have already told that equation of motion is the are used to describe the linear motions of an object. Equation of motion is used to describe the linear motions of an object. Isn't it? Okay. And this equation, we have proved the three equations. First is b equal to u plus at. Second is b square is yours is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. And in third is b square is equal to u square plus 2as. These three equations are very important in the view of examination. In your final exams are the first term, second term, third terms and final exams. There is maybe asked in the 2 marks in every examination. And also these equations are very important for your numerical problems. Isn't it? Okay. Let's try one short numerical. Calculate the acceleration produced by a body. Write the one numerical at first. Calculate our acceleration produced by a body whose velocity change from from 25 meter per second, 10 meter per second to 10 meter per second to 25 meter per second in 5 seconds. Isn't it? Please look here. Once time, look these questions. You can do? Okay. Look here. Solution. Here is calculate the acceleration produced by a body. It means that acceleration Our solution A is equal to what? When the velocity change from this is means the initial velocity. Initial velocity. U is equal to 10 meter per second square. Final velocity B is equal to 25 meter per second square. Oh, sorry, meter per second. Sorry, unit of velocity is meter per second. Solution time T is equal to 5 seconds. Now, or we have our solution A is equal to rate of change of velocity. Our solution A is equal to rate of change of velocity. It means that B minus U upon T is equal to B means 25 minus U means 10 upon T means 5 is equal to 15 divided by 5, which is equal to 3 unit meter per second square. Hence the acceleration produced by a body is acceleration is equal to A is equal to 3 meter per second square. Isn't it? You are fine? Yes. Okay, student. We have completed today's class. Please, I don't give any homeworks for today. I will suggest you should practice these three equation of motions. First, B equal to U plus AT. Second, B square is equal to U square plus 2AS. And third is B S is equal to UT plus 1 upon 2 AT square. Request you to practice these three equations of motion, which are very helpful for the view of your examination, and it is easiest to solve your numerical problem. Okay, student, we will meet in our next class. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.